Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked.
This a new one. Kafu Bantan. Rastaloy. Ya, you bad. Si tú me dejas que yo te me acerque y luego te apriete, tú vas a saber. Ay, tú vas a saber. Uy, tu cachete junto a mi cachete, entramos en calor y tú vas a ceder. Y tú vas a ceder. Si me le paro de frente, tú la ves que ella se mueve sola. Es como una serpiente, come lento y se traga toda. Si me le paro de frente, tú la ves que ella se mueve sola. Es como una serpiente, come lento y se traga toda. Si tú me dejas que yo te me acerque y luego te apriete, tú vas a saber. Ay, tú vas a saber. Uy, tu cachete junto a mi cachete, entramos en calor y tú vas a ceder. Y tú vas a ceder. A ella le gusta cuando el negro la menea, se vuelve bandera de una ondea, se da a notar pa' que todos la vean. Tú le dices bomba y ella bombea, siempre está activa y nunca se deja, pide mucha rumba y nunca pasea, y cuando fuma se desbloquea. Dale 2 tragos pa' que vea. Si tú me dejas que yo te me acerque y luego te apriete, tú vas a saber. Ay, tú vas a saber. Uy, tu cachete junto a mi cachete, entramos en calor y tú vas a ceder. Y tú vas a ceder.
Island Heat. From yard to the streets. Arriba.
The
Me
voice of the
gusta.
man, Kafu Bantan.
Yeah, I'm going to give it us that fuego on the Island Heat Radio Show. Greetings, massive. Welcome to the Island Heat, the best from yard to the street. Here we feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics. You don't know, hold on to your seat and get ready to dive into today's theme, Halfway Tree.
Yes, right.
2023.
We're halfway through the year. So we're going to, kind of recap what's going on so far for 2023 on the scene. Yeah?
We're going to do it right.
We are your hosts, Super Peck.
And Lady Lalabella.
Shout outs to those of you listening on your devices. We're broadcasting live from APAP's radio right here in the ATL. And make sure you lock us in on your socials and also hit like, follow, and subscribe so you can get notifications when we have new content. Now, shout out to our sponsors, APAP Media, every time.
Every time.
If you're looking for a full-service creative video and photo production company specializing in podcasting, multi-camera recording, and live streaming, they're ready to customize the services for any occasion. This is the place where you need to be. All right, contact APAP Media at info@apapmedia.com.
Yes, it. And as we mentioned already, we are streaming from APAP Radio. We have a great show lined up for you today.
As always, you know how we do.
We'll be testing How Caribbean Are You with the All Things Caribbean Trivia.
And, of course, we'll be bringing the heat from the street, giving you the hot topics, the stories, the features from yard to the streets, talking all the news, mix-up, and the topics, events from the island movers and shakers.
As you know, at 10 o'clock, we're going to be giving you the Atlanta Caribbean Countdown, counting the top 10 songs from Caribbean-based artists in the A.
And, of course, you'll hear the hottest rhythms, songs, singles from reggae, soca, Latin, because, we just represented with Kafu back then, right?
Representa.
All the genres coming out of the Caribbean. We got you,
Ya
all right?
tú sabes.
Now, we're going to jump right into our trivia of the day. What is our trivia?
All right. So if you've been paying attention to the Island Heat episodes, you'll know the answer to this trivia question. Which New York-based rapper of Jamaican heritage recently received a Lifetime Achievement Award? A, Biggie Smalls. B, Sean Puffy Combs. C, Busta Rhymes.
Okay.
Or D, Dexter Daps.
I know 3 of them for sure, Jamaican.
I think all of them in their own right should have a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Dexter.
Yeah,
Dexter
man,
already?
girls
Dexter,
them sugar, yeah, why
Dexter just
not?
over there, you know.
But you know, him did there on a long time, him just get a bus.
The other 3 had hit songs in the 90s. I'm just saying.
All right, you're right. So that breaks us down to 3. So go ahead and do your, calculations. Get it together.
Call a friend, get a lifeline, see if they can help you with that answer. All right.
And make sure you check out our past episodes so that you can be attuned to Wagwan in the Caribbean.
Let's get into some music real quick while we give them a few minutes to think about the answer to the trivia. All right, let's bring that heat. It's all about Island Heat.
Island Heat. From yard to the streets. Music time.
Supreme sound.
I'm gonna set this place on fire, burn it down entirely. Say Babylon, for your time has expired. Brimstone, thunder, and lightning. I'm gonna set this place on fire, burn it down entirely. Say Babylon, for your time has expired. Brimstone, thunder, and lightning.
More shots than Neymar. Drop bombs, near palm, pity cars, steer arm. Babylon if you go stay palm. Kills on E-Cup, then Trayvon. Slaughter the church at all. Assassination, marksman, 45 in a female. Innocent bloodshed upon their shoulders. As the day goes, their heart grows colder. Undocumenting what them do up in the folders. Judgment, they are far more than they are prowler. Flashing me lots, here come the rats. Fire away gash, hit them a catch. No man has happened till Babylon gash. Them head full of gas, so then pass me the mark. Snap on my fingers, them gone in a flash. Anything but it clean at the trash. Dust to dust and ash to wash.
I'm gonna set this place on fire, burn it down entirely. Say Babylon, for your time has expired. Brimstone, thunder, and lightning. I'm gonna set this place on fire, burn it down entirely. Say Babylon, for your time has expired. Brimstone, thunder, and lightning.
So me, bomb them already, make them think I won't try again. Guess who?
The voice of the man himself, Joe Mercer Mali. Rest in peace to the young king.
Power.
Oh, you mean? As we enter the voice of the man who's been on a world tour right now, he's been putting in the work. This is Anthony Malvo off of his brand new album, Matured. This one, in case you didn't know.
I can count the time I almost say what's on my mind, but I didn't. No, I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I say, but I couldn't. No. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I will be lying if I say that I could live this life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. That did it. There was something about the kiss, girl, it did me in. It got me thinking. Oh, it got me thinking. All the things that I've been feeling. It's time you hear them. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I will be lying if I say that I tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you gotta. Have I told you? Have I shown you what I'm feeling when I hold you? It feels like.
Well, this is when you have that malfunction in the machine, and
It does what it wanna do.
Trying to work it out,
Technology.
and it jumps to the middle of the song right in transition of the mix.
I see.
So we're gonna do that one proper. We're gonna bring it back from the top.
Pull
because
up.
It's show business, and the show don't stop.
Must go on.
Right? Yeah.
I said
so
go.
let's go.
All right, we're ready when you're
All
ready.
right. This is the voice of Gramps Morgan, y'all. Hey,
Morgan
Super Peck
Heritage.
Super Peck is in love right now, yeah? So love songs I
Aww.
do. That's it. Yeah. This one entitled, y'all, A Woman Like You. Gramps Morgan coming at you.
Yes, I.
Have I told you? Have I shown you what I'm feeling when I hold you? It feels like heaven, heaven surrounds me. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. When you're with me, when you kiss me, when you tell me how much you miss me, every moment we're together brings us closer, closer to forever. And there's nothing I can say or ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Well, yeah.
Well, me girl bougie, you know that already. She love his hip wine, but she with chopper jelly. You want see her when she de ready. When she touch the dance floor, she no daddy. Happy her vibes when we up in the club. Everybody happy, everyone a show love. Where we going next? Everybody wanna know. From a party, them one we feel pass through.
Boy, when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. Feel up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are gonna touch a party. Well, me tell you, say when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. Feel up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are gonna touch a party.
This Jackie, pull up that one ya bigger, that one ya bad. You know see the girl them a bubble, that a drive me.
This is the remix.
Bougie lady.
He said, DJ, pull it up because this one yeah bad.
Bad.
This is Bounty Killer alongside Busy Signal
Busy.
on the remix of Christopher Martin's Guaranteed, y'all.
Guaranteed.
Island Heat. To bring you that heat from yard to the street.
APAP Radio.
You know that already. She love his hip wine, but she with chopper jelly. You want see her when she de ready. When she touch the dance floor, she no daddy. Happy her vibes when we up in the club. Everybody happy, everyone a show love. Where we going next? Everybody wanna know. From a party, them one we feel pass through.
Boy, when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. Feel up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are gonna touch a party. Well, me tell you, say when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. go touch a party. Yeah.
Oh, so bright, yeah. This Jackie, pull up that one ya bigger, that one ya bad. You know, see the girl them a bubble, that a drive me mad. Hey, I just the vibe where we have. The people them love it, this are the livest scam. Party every day, be a girl denary. Diamonds a canary, fly like a cherry dog. Enough battles we not fish sherry. Shirt without the button, yeah, Versace or Burberry. Dirty energy can't stay ya. Watch your behavior. Girl want a man see a spare ya. None of the G, them are no failure. We making the paper, living life like we dip on the top of
when
the
you are
skyscraper.
with we, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party. When me tell you, say when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party.
Island Heat, from yard to the streets.
Bam.
See that. I hope that gave you enough time to do your research for the All Things Caribbean Trio.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and say the question and share the answer. Which New York-based rapper of Jamaican heritage recently received a Lifetime Achievement Award? Between Biggie Smalls, Sean Combs, Busta Rhymes, and Dexter Daps, the answer is Busta Rhymes.
Busta Rhymes, Busta Bus.
Without a question, I mean, literally last week we talked about Busta on stage at the BET Awards in tears as he accepted his Lifetime Achievement Award. Now, Trevor George Smith Jr., born May 20th, 1972, known professionally as Busta Rhymes, is an American rapper, songwriter, record producer, and actor. Chuck D of Public Enemy gave him the moniker Busta Rhymes after NFL and CFL wide receiver George Busta Rhymes. Busta Rhymes has received 12 Grammy Award nominations for his work, making him one of the most nominated artists without winning.
Big up every time to Busta. One of the originals, although not the originals, but one of the leaders of the new school, the new era, original new era artists.
I mean, the king collaborator. When we talk about, 90s and 2000s who really helped usher in reggae and dancehall music into the mainstream, his name is, of course, at the top of the list.
Now, he talked about using that as a major strategy to get on, making sure he rolled through the studio and always have a blunt
Fire.
ready to share.
Fire.
So once he was smoking with everybody, they say, hey, you got a beat? Yeah, I got some lyrics.
He's not sharing no verses unless you let him in the booth.
You got to get on. You let you hear it until it's recorded.
See that? So big up Busta. Every time, a huge Lifetime Achievement Award. Well deserved.
And we talked about the performances last week.
Mother Road.
Yeah.
Spice is still at the tip of everyone's tongue after that. Hike up leg in the air. Press it out.
They say, why? Imagine a few years ago, right? They were all upset about the wardrobe malfunction at the Super Bowl, right? Mm-hmm. What if Spice had a wardrobe malfunction when she was in that pose?
That would have been her shining moment.
Boy, I tell you now, Spice bust down.
But God bless her.
Everybody would have known who Spice
God
is.
bless her. So, somebody looking out there for her.
Tell you what, the Queen of the Dancehall. And what else do we have going on in the heat, bringing the heat to the street?
Hot topics. So, in light of, Joe Mercer's passing last year, I believe, recently a talk screen came back, which revealed months after the singer was found dead. And the reggae singer Joe Mercer died of acute asthma exacerbation after infected with rhinovirus or enterovirus, according to documents obtained by Rolling Stone. Now, Joe Mercer is the son of Stephen Marley and the grandson of Bob Marley. According to the Rolling Stone, the toxicology report detected the presence of THC, the chemical found in marijuana, along with naloxone and 0.08 8% of ethanol, just 3 points over what is considered to be intoxicated at the time of his death. Now, the naloxone is commonly used to reverse an overdose by blocking the effects of opioids, but it's unclear why it was found in his body at the time of death.
Yeah, that one is very, very, very suspicious.
It's an interesting mixture, and it's just troubling to think that he was by himself when all of these things were happening inside of his body. He had spoken to his family earlier in the day, and he was en route to the hospital, in the hospital parking lot, had the heart attack and unfortunately perished.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, rest in peace, Joe Mercer. And still condolences go out to all who were impacted by the young man's loss. You know what I mean? He was a family man, has kids and stuff. So definitely condolences. So there was the big reggae festival this weekend.
Yes,
the big staging
dancing in the park.
The Grooving in the Park at the Royal Wilkins Park in
Reggae
Queens,
in
New
the
York.
park.
And that was June 25th. The crowd was huge, about 20,000 people.
Yowza.
Yeah, that's a good look. You know, they've had up to 30,000 in the past, but still.
I mean, post-COVID, those kind of numbers are definitely commendable.
Definitely.
That means that somebody was a showstopper. Somebody brought them out.
Yeah. Hey, a couple of weeks right before the show, the Queen of the Dancehall Spice, that queen was added to the
That queen? That queen was added to the roster.
lineup. Yeah. And was interviewed by on stage with Winfred Williams, where she said that she had no problems with any other artists who were booked on the show, and that she would be there. And obviously, the promoters were listening to the fans, wondering why the Queen wasn't on the show, and so they went ahead and booked her. So we do not know what really took place, but she did announce prior, after stating firmly
That she would be there.
Would be there.
Unfortunately, had to make a last-minute cancellation.
Yeah.
Per her her notification, she stated she's sorry. She takes full, responsibility for whatever happened, and is, apologizing to all the besties.
Said the promoters were very professional throughout the entire thing. They did what they were supposed to do, but there were multiple reasons beyond her control. And so she asked her loyal besties to forgive her for not being able to appear, and she did take full accountability for the decision not to do so. So,
well, Peck, there is some question that maybe Marion Hall might have been the reason why she decided not to.
Maybe she reconsidered. At first, she said that there were no other artists would be a reason why she would not appear on any show.
Feelings change.
Maybe it's a family thing, something very personal,
True.
something that avoided or prevented her from being present.
That didn't stop, the former queen of the dance hall, although she goes now as, Pastor Marion
The
Hall.
Minister.
Minister Marion Hall, excuse me.
Let me tell you though, went on stage, right?
Oh boy.
On stage.
You have to take a deep breath. You got to prepare for these kind of performances.
Lady Saw is Lady Saw. Marion Hall is Marion Hall. Minister Marion Hall is Minister Marion Hall, right?
She makes a clear distinction between the two.
When she up on stage though, right? See, the artist delivers every time. Regardless of whatever the lyrical content may be, right? From the dance hall to the gospel. As she said, she wasn't there for the dance hall
All
type.
right, straight.
She said, she not there for the dance hall type.
All right, now Duppy can't frighten her.
Oi, she beat every duppy, every witch, every demon.
Every bad mind. I love it.
Big up Marion Hall every time, and she was very well received by the crowd. And I do think that there is space in the dance hall or on big shows, for more gospel reggae, gospel dancehall. Papa San needs to be out there too. Stitchy need to be up there too. Chosen need to be up there too. Yeah. The Flame, she needs to be up there too. Yeah, man. We got a lot of great artists who can represent with the word and still entertain and move a crowd, even a reggae dancehall crowd.
Preach.
Taught the things. So let's see who else did really well. According to reports, we had Sham. He had a segment called the Timeless 90s.
Remember those days when
it was my home, man.
Was a big piece of home.
Sham is a youth who has not aged in about 20 years. He just stopped. Shama Sham from day one.
From day one.
And still knows how to, of course, rock a show. And he's got the hits after hits. So did his thing there. Wayne Wonder also.
Whoa.
She can sing, she can hold a note. I'm telling you, Mr. P, we're going to have to take her into the studio. We're going to have to take her into the studio.
See that.
Frisco Kid also did his thing, Yeah, big up to a well-staged event. There was apparently no hiccups. And then the man himself, Taurus Riley,
Love it.
Taurus, you just can't lose with Taurus.
Singing.
I saw him here in Atlanta last at a venue in Midtown.
Oh, I like that.
It was
like a local thing.
Really, really good look. Yeah, he hasn't been on the East Side yet.
I mean, it's been the last time he was on the East Side. Dean Frazier brought him. That was a long time ago.
It's been a minute.
It's been a while. That was on Memorial Drive.
Yeah, I don't even remember the show. I do not recall that.
It was
show.
such a long time.
That was a little
Come
minute
back,
ago.
Taurus. Bring your band.
So the big closer on the show was Charlie Wilson, right? Uncle Charlie.
I love his R&B. I love his voice. I think he's a crooner, but I think some people disagree. I think some people weren't really feeling.
Yeah, I heard
Charlie
it was pretty
vibe.
much exit time while Charlie Wilson was doing his thing. It's kind of unfair. I don't know.
Well, Groovin' in the Park starts early too, so it's kind of like a balance. It was getting late, maybe. I'm trying to give you.
You said people were just tired. The sun was hot.
The sun was hot, burning up. After Lady Saw's performance, she just set the place on fire.
Burning it down.
Burned it down. I'm telling you, it's a hard act to follow.
I tell you what. Let's get back into some music, all right?
Sweet.
This is the Island Heat Show right here on APAP Radio, bringing you that heat from yard
to the streets.
Off his new album, a new cut. This is the voice of Charlie Blacks coming at you, acoustic style, for all my party animals.
Sweet. Why not?
Girl, me love the way you whine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me want you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you're not lazy. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. You just so good, you look so good. She take 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes, then on the dance floor. Then she start to broke out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know say she like me tonight, me a score. She said she beautiful and she pure. Girl, like you, me adore. So wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you whine for me. Girl, you whine
From yard to the streets.
Patrice again.
Taurus Riley.
Hey.
We were just talking about him. Singy.
Yes, yes. Taurus Riley.
This one's bad.
And Patrice Roberts.
Let's go.
Something rising. No, I recognize it. But I don't fight it. Could be the start of something nice. You again. Pulling me in slowly. Nice and slowly. You make me go loco. In your arms I stay warm. Warm like the cocoa. Just maybe you might be the one. So before you leave, make I give you all my love. Come take it, all my love. Take it, all my love.
Get your umbrella ready for a storm. No, you go crazy when you get it.
All my love.
Don't hold back.
All I got.
All my love.
All my love.
Hey, baby, just keep it for me. Don't give it away now.
They gon' tell a story about you and me. Come
Get it.
all my love.
Don't hold back.
All I got. All my love. All my love. You make me go loco. In your arms I stay warm like the cocoa. Just maybe you might be the one. So before you leave, make I give you all my love. Come take it, all my love. Take it, all my love. Any day, anytime, any night, oh, I'll be there to hold you right, oh.
Fix you good, yes I do, set you right, girl. Love the way you hold me tight and quiet.
Whatever you want to, I'll do it for you.
What a way you are going with yourself,
For you.
it is a go on and a go on with yourself, girl.
Cause you make me go loco. In your arms I stay warm like the cocoa. Just maybe you might be the one. So before you leave, make I give you all my love. Come take it, all my love.
Pull up another party, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. Bare feelings that I carry. Pull up another Audi, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another car, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody but you. Pull up another Lada. Put me off the Benz and the Prada. And a couple brand new order. All of them fully don't matter. 0 to 102. Yeah, so I'ma flex on you. All in on my section view. I set on you. Then me get a text come true. So I'ma show you what my legs can do. Pull up another party, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. Bare feelings that I carry. Pull up another Audi, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another car, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody but you. I don't play. You will never ever find another like me, yeah. You should know you made my day. And I lost my horse when you came my way. But it changed my mood. Oh, you're so rude, yeah. Then I try push up intrude, but you're well settled and smooth. Yeah.
Me see everybody on TikTok. Me see hot gala dance in a flip flops. See the bubble them a rock, them a fling locks. With a bad boy, yes, with a chick. Right now me crazy. Me crazy. Overload them crazy. Overload scankers crazy. Right now me crazy. Me crazy. Overload them crazy. Ravers them crazy. Right now we gone pan in hard course. Lobster tail with fandangles. Bad slave time man in my bangers. Man I use them girl as examples. Aye. Say she love the North Coast boys with the rock thing. A shot full of swag when they tag them a pop. Them know say did a weird test class when the beast fly past. And I want them for me in a that. So me jump out and rock. Immortal them a jump and rock. Them out in a seat them flap. I say them crazy, I idiot that. Right now me crazy. Me crazy. Overload them crazy. Overload skankers crazy. Right now me crazy. Me crazy. Overload them crazy. Ravers them crazy. The girl them a say we clean. No green at all. After the show it's after party then. After the party it's hotel lobby then. after the NSC, we burn a one split. And after a couple man, no my gal, I forget it. Yes, ma, back it up the kid that money you spend. All of me team, they just show the whole of your friend. Matalan, no sing out to me, sending back his own thing. While everybody you shout, ravers them at it again. So watch the bones, hop, skip your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know the saga mad then. Beat them like a whipping on me and me nah look no friend. Enough of them you hear attack when them see we them nah do nothing. Bones, hop, make sure you swing your one there. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. I be a live for life, I make money, we not a problem. I bag a chat and make I say them bad, we not look at them. Bones, so you feel bones. Bones, so you feel bones. Kyrie, try your bones to this. Uptown dancers, we are not done to this. Dancing are just fun, it and a mathematics. Anyway, me go, me a the general in a this. But I scan, me a beg you to check your left for me. In our side, tell us me say come here to me. Tisha, rebel TC, I'm pretty. I feel the touch them, I go tell me say they want money. So watch the bones, hop, skip your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know the saga mad then. Beat them like a whipping on me and me nah look no friend. Enough of them you hear attack when them see we them nah do nothing. Bones, hop, make sure you swing your one there. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. I be a live a life, I make money, we not a problem. I bag a chat and make I say them bad, we not look at them.
All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long
From yard to the streets.
them fully long time. Bustin'. Run up on them mouth, so me that's all that it. Anybody go me know me about.
He goes by the name of Prince Swanee.
Oh.
New music. This one's called Baghdad.
I like it. Trinidad representing.
Trinidad, go on with some things, man, I tell you.
See that.
Yo, Prince Swanee, the man who signed
Byron Lee.
Messiah. Yeah. Rest in peace, Byron Lee. He ain't signing you. Talibans, right?
Yes.
So then after Talibans, Prince said, yo, let's go to Baghdad.
Yes, let's do it. Taliban pan them. Island Heat. From yard to the streets.
Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time.
We're bringing you that heat. Come on now.
Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of them fully long time. Bustin'. Run up on them mouth, so me that's so lunatic. Anywhere me go, me you know me a power. Alright then, let me say bustin'. Run them down, them from them talking over them dip. Aye. Watch out, them know we quick for response. Could I swear, bad man, mount up do we have like Afghanistan. Yeah, you know we that bad. We the from a smile like a kid's carnival. Oh, a kite tradition. Them don't know about the road, my back, but know it was bad. They could ask Panta, mount up brothers we last. Right now we love the shits and we no show no remarks. But we not give up about the them boss. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dog them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of my dogs them fully long time. Yeah. All of me fully long time. All of them fully long time. Big love, live black, go trafficking, rack it in. To the top of my feet, up fitting, watch it dip. Hack it dip. From me a juvenile and the money I call. Me call my daughter for got Benz and my son in Hardy. You them not for work, for no body. One of them I call me legend and me no pass party. Oh my God, you never get it when you're young and hearty. My priority straight, me no broke and party. Couple hours over, someone want for a laugh shortly. Get the money load like me want a gun and clan. She has no love, she has sell me know the f*** cost me. And nobody no know, cause me no talk talky. I find my wine and I'm a dog, no saucy. Me go find the guy, me send no boy and a flash. With the piece for sharpie. Pull up and park it. Gonna for life, dog, she walk that shortly. Love of my life, yo, and the money my wife. See your poverty, me can't see on them life, them. Clock them matic like I'm earth strong. Check my birth paper, me come from a dirt farm. Guns on my car, them a German. The bourbon, I sip slow, me a the surgeon. The servant, no week, we prove the world wrong. A girl on her knees, I prove the boss right. Last night, my turban, love the millions, and me met the first one. Clock them matic like I'm birthday. Money hit hard, we have it, then no hurt say. Me put a target on it in a diverse way. Skull a go clock them matic, this a no girls play. Puzzle down, me no muggle gun, and me first spray. Me bad no, let them turn clear. The pump them man want, shut the word stay.
Them fi know say you one body, one killer, one Godzilla. Anyway you see the God go gyal a fi follow. Steady when me step on me, you murder the piranha. Me make it burn and the fi banger. One killer, one body, one Godzilla. Anyway you see the God go gyal a fi follow. Steady when me step on me, you murder the piranha. Me make it burn and the fi banger. Legendary status no compete, we no match up. Me and the gyal them they a paparazzi a fi snap up. Nightlife finna this breed a great cover. Hennessy you mix with the breed and break the buff. So let me make cheers. Me say the girl them a come and me fi tears. Tears in a dance hall, we a set the pace. Come you mention great, you fi call kill and name. That's right. Yeah, them a one body, one killer, one Godzilla. Anyway you see the God a go gyal a fi follow. Steady when me step on me, you murder the piranha. Me make it burn and the fi banger. One killer, one body, one Godzilla. Anyway you see the God a go gyal a fi follow. Steady when me step on me, you murder the piranha. Me make it burn.
You look amazing, girl, you look amazing. I won't play you like a video game. You live in my dream, me picture your frame. No Tetris, check this, you want exist for me. Yeah, you, yeah, we fi fulfill with destiny. How you feeling? Let me feel it. Body feel right, someone you blessed. You know me need it, you got me feeling overwhelmed. You are the party, without you is an event. See don't boast it like it's a seat of parliament. Oh you pretty so, just asking for a friend. Queen in your realm, you sit down in your helm. You're the Della for the creme, beef and jam.
Say you want peace, give you much more. Deliver the good straight at your front door. Make talk me a one pan floor. I they do the maths coming and keep score. Me say that you never get a girl so amazing. Bet you never get a girl so amazing. I pray about blessing, you have to praise it. Bet you never get a girl so amazing.
What you dealing? Me at the dealer. Spread full of ambition, grab your door and no bread. Pastor Pedic, you get so greedy upon the bed. Baby, really? I saw your bad, catch your breath. Told you well, me good man, I feel look none of your friend. Your pocket have to rest, me we pay down on the rent. Samson again, bank book a bill of strength. You're the Della for the creme, beef and jam.
Say you want peace, give you much more. Deliver the good straight at your front door. Make talk me a one pan floor. I they do the maths coming and keep score.
Baby bumper, girl, I walk out. Car them a pull up and the vibes roll out and the thugs them they are. And the vibes so nice. Yeah. Me and smoke some. They are well high. Watch ya. Me just a go on with the vibes and a party. You see it and the girl them a walk on the beat. Thugs them a bleach and we not skin no teeth. Eyes soak me up. Now fall asleep. And you know we there. Yeah, you know we there. Yeah, you know we there. Watch her man. Lock down with your girl, now she open. Me have her friends and she in a sequence. Give her the major laser, I'm decent. Everything I want, walk one. Them a girl a cold-hearted. Yeah, them so naughty. She a bounce down, funny Ducati. Still my fat, yo, me don't care, me a give them it. I make the talk, let me do brawling. Me just a go on, all the vibes and a party. You see it and the girl, them a walk on the beat. Thugs, them a bleach, and we not skin no teeth. Eyes soak me up, we not fall asleep. And you know we there.
Yeah, that is the voice of man cranium, y'all. Yeah, we there.
I love it, New York zone.
Yo, we're in the vibes, yo. We're in the vibes.
Yes, just
a few more to go. We're on the way to the top of the hour. Yeah, we got the countdown coming in.
Bringing some heat.
We're bringing the heat. You know, I love this tropical shirt. If you can't see, you can't see. Those listening just on the radio side, everybody on YouTube can see nice and bright, festive. You know, yo.
Bring a little carnival, you know, a little summer vibe.
Hey, yo, big up everybody listening in. You know it's all about blessings upon blessings upon blessings. You don't know.
Love.
This is Skilly Bang.
Edited by Touch the Road.
Alongside.
Oh, that.
Biswa.
All right.
Let's get it.
Baby Bendo, bless me. Bless me. Baby, why you tempting me? She tell me, baby, can you ride with me? With who? Baby, come and ride on me. Baby, how you move so dangerously? Don't you know you are dangerous, babe? Baby, when you move, it's stressing me. Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you tempting me? Baby, don't worry, keep blessing me. Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you blessing me? Baby, why you tempting me? Baby, don't worry, keep blessing me.
Bless me, baptize. Me love you ride and not like jalopy. Wet up your like pipe or your jeep. Slap up your bike when you ride in my bless me. Coca-Cola shape and a Pepsi. When no X6 connect eggs so me make you touch the road. Love see you want my French kiss. Where you say I'm an apprentice. Now make you I'm selfish. Let me take you to the trenches. Like me head sick. Me no old man, me no take you to my hood, give up good. Proverbs 5, verse 18.
Baby bendo, bless me. Baby, why you tempting me? She tell me, baby, can you ride with me? Baby, come and ride on me. Baby, how you move so dangerously? Don't you know you are dangerous, babe? Baby, when you move, it's stressing me. Baby, why you bless me?
He said, baby, come ride with me.
Right? You're blessing me, though. You're blessing me, baby.
Do you have a favorite car?
Do I have a favorite?
Yeah, your favorite ride. If you had your choice of how you rolling out.
Yeah, fresh BMW all the way by Marley and the Wailers.
Hey, shout out to everybody who got the brand new Bob Marley and the Wailers BMW.
See that.
Shout out to everybody who's pushing the Corvette.
Ain't nothing wrong if you got a rental. It's all good.
Why it gotta be the rental though?
Ain't nothing wrong with a lease.
Big up to everybody who's pushing the Porsche. Yeah. What else? The
G-Wagon.
Maybach.
Okay.
Yeah, the G-Wagon.
G-Wagon, Maybach. Okay, all right. I see you leveling up. The Bentleys.
What you drifting in? That's what we want to know. What you drifting in for the summer?
Right.
That's what we want to find out.
Right. Coffee said, pull up another Rari, yeah. Pull up another Audi, yeah.
Pull up another what?
Audi, yeah.
Pull up another what?
Audi, yeah.
This is the bad craft, yo. Representing. Yo, Audi coming at you.
See that?
Welcome to the 876. Hey, welcome to the tropics. Ever seen up on the island, really nice yakin. Lucky never left in a office. Nanny now we back it with no tree. Use wallet up a big bumper. Gyal she a pot like Dali. So we stay higher for the kush from Cali. Coulda never fall, but she be my like Charlie. Have a gyal named Sally. Wanna give me hey, woman no pop. Turn arena match Fabi. Ready panny banger, call one cabby. Me say fi call one cabby. Back to the party, we be sipping on Bacardi in the VIP section with a goof Bobby. Blicky with the switch, got that shit on my bum and stay lady with them sticks. Two sliding in my Jordans. Hey, how we party?
Too much heat.
Yo, the vibes is real, yo. The vibes is real. Pull up and come again from top.
See that?
Craft is that next artist, yo. Everybody on the streets is really talking about this kid right here, y'all. If you're not familiar, get familiar. Craft coming at you. This one's Audi.
Hey, welcome to the tropics. Ever seen up on the island, really nice yakin. Lucky never left in a office. Nanny now we back it with no tree. Use wallet up a big bumper. Gyal she a pot like Dali. So we stay higher for the kush from Cali. Coulda never fall, but she be my like Charlie. Have a gyal named Sally. Wanna give me hey, woman no pop. Turn arena match Fabi. Ready panny banger, call one cabby. Me say fi call one cabby. Back to the party, we be sipping on Bacardi in the VIP section with a goof Bobby. Blicky with the switch, got that shit on my bum and stay lady with them sticks. Two sliding in my Jordans. Hey, how we party there? Oh, you better swing your car key there. Tell it if it's starty there. True, I guess in the yardie there. How we party there? Oh, you better swing your car key there. Tell it if it's starty there. True, I guess in the yardie tank. In the yardie tank. In the yardie tank.
Hey, Russian. Grand Theft Auto. X-Vex through my gun and cut. Now the red beam off a park up. Sauce boss on me have a sauce up. Look at one girl get me caught up. Them Bex through me Lanny Benz truck. Them a pray for me like a palm broke. When we touch a party the whole place get fucked now. Everybody put your hands up photo. Rolex for me life farm, yeah. Yeah, my fresh like my window lotto. Me have to flex up on my ex. You know the Tesla with open doors. Couple chain round my neck. Me took a Glock with the extender. You know really watch what we spend.
Grand Theft Auto.
My girl know me a chip, so tell my ex don't follow me up. My blast off my XX. I just my data, my mother me love. Come from a girl, I call my phone, and I said I'm wilding up. Pool party, I ain't sure. Me not left in morning come. Pull a makeup, tell her act bright, but me a wear road. Me not stop a stop light, and no better stay tuned. If I give anti shots and I give anti shows. Up good. When we outside, every girl is so smooth. Yeah, me full of girl like I'm full of tune. So tell my ex to fuck off and move.
Grand Theft Auto, Rolex for me life farm, yeah. Yeah, me fresh like me win the lotto. Me have to flex up on my ex. You know the Tesla with open doors. Couple chain round my neck. Me took a Glock with the extender.
Woy.
Come on, I can.
I can.
And TJ and Russian doing it big right there with the Grand Theft Auto.
Nice little combo there with the two cartoons. Yes.
Oh, yeah. We went from the Audi to Grand Theft Auto.
Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah, you gotta earn it. You gotta get it the right way. You don't want those kind of problems.
Things that get rough. And I have to mention on the international scene that the UN human rights official says arms embargo and deployment of special forces are needed for Haiti, our Caribbean brothers and sisters.
Why the UN always sticking their nose in people's business?
Them looking for a reason to go over there.
I always think there's always an ulterior motive when they get involved. You know what I mean? Watch out for those light blue helmets. Anytime you see them, I don't know. A lot of times it's quote unquote human rights and stuff. Sometimes it's just the people culture, and you just want to change up their thing, and you're looking for a reason.
Yes,
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying. I agree with you wholeheartedly.
It's only now the UN realized there's human rights issues in Haiti.
And that's the thing about it, is that it just seems peculiar. I even stated, they must have found some gold or some oil over there that they want to go dig up now, because all of a sudden them want to help Haiti with them human rights and them thing there. So Associated Press said the United Nations human rights expert stated Wednesday a specialized international force is needed to help fight gang violence in Haiti, and that a weapons embargo should be implemented immediately. I found a country bruised by violence, misery, fear, and suffering. William O'Neill, an appointed expert to human rights in Haiti, stated during his 10-day trip. O'Neill said that the absence of government is palpable and that the lack of response by officials is affecting people's water, food, health, education, and housing. He added that while Haitian authorities face immense challenges, the government has a duty to respond within its limited capacities.
Well,
what to do?
Yeah, a statement.
I mean, a lot of chatting.
Propaganda.
A lot of chatting. And, they even stated that UN officials, this isn't the first time somebody stated something. Haitian Prime Minister Ariel Henry said something back in October of last year. But the UN Secretary Council has not taken action, opting instead to impose sanctions.
Yeah, because that always helps people out. You understand?
Taxation without representation.
I tell you what, yeah.
It's not easy, so let's just send our prayers up for our brothers and sisters in Port-au-Prince.
Continued. The first to liberate.
And I mean, the problems that are going on in Haiti are going on all over, especially across the Caribbean, and it's something that locally needs to be concentrated and dealt with.
You said the gang problem?
Yeah, period, That's it. It's the gang problem. It's local crime that's really causing this international, fury. And unless something is done on a local level, people like the UN can do nothing in getting involved. They're, like you said, just pushing their nose in situations that have really nothing to do with them.
Yeah, stay strong, my brothers. The revolution will not be televised. It will be streamed, okay?
It will be streamed. So keep it locked here on Island Heat for more updates. And, of course, we have to let you guys know what's going on the local scene.
What is popping, Bauya?
All right, so Steel Pulse is performing this month on the 29th. That is, you guys, if you didn't catch it, you missed it, unfortunately. Sorry about that. But we do have a lot more events going on. I want you to make sure you got it locked in for the Truckers Reunion that's coming up.
Yes, indeed. Big up the Truckers Reunion. That is Stone Love, Metro Media, and Inner City. And that is going to be going down in August. So you want to definitely, if you know dancehall,
mark your calendar.
Yeah. You know,
make sure you're there.
That one is going to be a very, very serious affair.
And then, of course, we have B Reggae Music 3-day free event, August 11th to the 13th at Piedmont Park, followed up by August 20th, Chastain, Barris Hammond, Luciano, and Inner Circle.
Yeah, you know I gotta be there.
Stephen Marley, don't forget Stephen. We know we mentioned his son, so we got to talk about the father.
Now, you know, I often, every time the Marleys are in town, I try to make sure I check them out.
Because you know they have the exclusive crowd. It's not the regular reggae crowd. It's a next crowd.
It's a world of reggae. You understand?
The world of reggae music. Look at that.
You know, it's not a east side of reggae.
So come out and support. That's on October 22nd. And of course, Caribbean Runnings 2 to 4 on Fridays.
Definitely check us out. Check us out. Red Carpet Shelly. I got to shout them out. Red Carpet Shelly and DJ Passport each and every time, holding it down each and every Friday. Caribbean Runnings. WRFG.
Well, look at that. We've reached our second hour.
Bam.
Just like that.
Just like that. Time is always going, by so fast.
Everything in its time. Welcome to the second hour of Island Heat.
Mr. P on the controls be speeding up the clock.
He knows what he's doing over there. Big up Mr. P on the ones and twos, doing him thing at the controls. Best producer in the world.
You already know. That's how APAP roll,
That's how APAP roll. You got to keep it locked here at Island Heat. APAP Radio. Every time we're giving you the best from yard to the streets. Here we feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics from across the globe.
That is right. And of course, here at the top of the hour, it is time for our Atlantic Caribbean Music Countdown, where we feature the top 10 songs here in the ATL. To be on the countdown, you have to be a Caribbean
artist here in Atlanta,
but living here in Georgia, right? And we take a look at the numbers each and every week, put them all into our special matrix, which always spits out in the precise order the top 10 songs.
In this next segment, we count down the hottest tunes by Caribbean artists based in the state of Georgia. I am your host, Lady Lalabella.
I'm Super Pet. Let's jump right into it.
All right, so we have at the number 10 slot, DeMarco, Walk Away.
Is Walk Away? Oh, it's John Crow.
It's John Crow, DeMarco.
I did the double take myself.
I mean,
we had to make sure.
That matrix will fool you.
You hear that?
I'm looking.
You hear that? Man, I dirty old John Crow. Every day another gal in the condo. 14 parish, every go by every angle. But not the be man a Bronco. Nana money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up, we make a dancer. Roll with a mistake, dancer. Send me up. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Silly for me clean dog, watch a image up. Real John Crow, dirty old John Crow. Send me up. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real John Crow, dirty old John Crow. Bunny. Portal pan the north, book a big villa. Total panic cars, gal a back it up. Grab it, boat and panic. Turn round, gal get vocal pan the bar. Then she get pan the last. Then a motion when it's sport pan a blast. Me short spend the most granna dance, have the most gal a glance. See me up. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Silly for me clean dog, watch a image up. Real John Crow, dirty old John Crow. See me up. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real John Crow, dirty old John Crow. Man a dirty old John Crow. Every day another gal in the condo. 14 parish, every go by every angle. But not the be man a Bronco. Nana money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up, we make a dancer. Roll with a mistake, dancer. Send me up. Top Girl is dog, we no similar. Still lean for me clean dog, watch our image up. Rich and crow, dirty hot and crow. Swim me up. World class dog, we no.
Number 10, DeMarco with John Crow.
Yes, indeedy. Brand new music gets right onto the chart. I mean, DeMarco is like that. You know, this one, he was down in Jamaica actually promoting this song. Touched a couple of stages. He hadn't been there in a minute on stage. So, you know, he made the rounds. He hit the media and all of that, pushing John Crow. And you see, it's working.
Yeah, I know him. I do. I like it. I like what I hear. So this next artist coming in at number 9 says that she only has one life, and that's going to be Jada Kingdom at number 9.
Mystery, all of a sudden you don't wanna be with me. If it's more attention you need, then I'm listening. Just like all the toxic thing that I've been picking. Because me love you so much. Lonely enough with me, I need a owner. Maybe rather risk it like I told you. Plus you never diss me and that's a bonus. We have one life and we're living in a heartless time. So if we in love, make we get up and try. Cause life too short, so better we will but you, long as you're coming, anything we're against we for move. But don't tell you one thing. So when you step on me, really need your answer. Kalankuya wa make you a grandson. Stay real, I'ma give you what you want to. Shaman, me say I you me a I'm not ashamed. I want you every day. This feels safe. Thing and I chat, you may need me, I fi defend that. Serious thing and I chat, you may need it. Cause we have one life, and we living in a heartless time. So if we in love, make we get up and try. Cause life too short, so better we will try. Alright, don't want to do this with nobody but you. Long as you're coming, anything we're against we for move. But don't tell you one thing.
Jada.
Yeah. The Kingdom.
One life.
All of that. One life. I love that
9.
song. I love that song. She really does her thing on that one. Yeah.
And she's giving it to you in, the patois Jamaican voice. You know, sometimes you hear some next artist talk and you don't know where them come from. America. Yeah, America now. Let's switch up the thing. Shit. I'm not gonna say no name.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. We don't need the negative comments.
All love. Which brings us back to number 8.
Number 8, back on the charts once again is the man DeMarco in the number 8 position. This one is called Life, y'all.
Yeah, sponge. And if we could have buy life, yeah. And if we could have buy life, yeah. And if we could have buy life, all of me talks and me can't with a day I buy right, yeah. Dance with a day a party and me for day a 9-9. Well, a small prayer my child. We did have a vision but it's smeared by side. Yeah, if me could have buy life. Empty the Wells Fargo, the youth them fit up on the field that we bench one go. One reign supreme, but on a bench China. We did that chase a dream, so my friend gone suck down. Sell any asset, any money, me we spending out. Sponge pop another back up pony anyhow. 21 gun salute, we never selling out. We never hesitate, no doubt. And if we could have buy life, all of me talks and me can't with a day I buy right. Yeah, dance with a day a party and me for day a 9-9. Well, a small prayer, my child. We did have a vision, but it's smeared by side. Yeah, if me could have buy life. I them full up, but the tears not run. Start to see them put in at the grave, night ground. Try if you drink, where if you pay another room. All when me in the alley, I scream, I'm alone. Heart to burn me, and me want to search. You nothing can ease the pain. All when you buy thugs, rather life than pick up by guns. Yeah, and if we could have buy life, all of me talks and me can't with a day I buy right.
DeMarco, y'all.
At the number 8 slot. So, moving on to number 7. We have the Queen, Spice, coming in with Queen of the Dancehall.
Welcome to dancehall in a Jamaica. Party rider, mesh marina. Big gold chain and me chaparita. Queen of dancehall, me the back up in ya. Diamond stocks, big up every skanker. Weed a cush up in a palm with 5 finger. Magnum in a me hand with me ear bright color. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dancehall. The queen back pan the throne coulda never be the throne. Body lift up like Joan, titty stiff up like cone. Play with the light phone of me black skin tone. Me a bounce up me body, but this girl inna the zone. Body cock up inna this, come me the back up inna this. Your man a jack up inna this, two a wheel lock up inna this. Look how me rock up inna this, stick like a clock up inna this. Pony no slack up inna this, that's why me boom like this car. The man love when me legs apart. This a the key to the man heart. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen of heart. Me a the key to the man heart. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Make him 10 times before him a same one more. So me bounce up me body pan the floor. Inna me short shorts can't say me's a whore. Bounce up me body pan the floor. Inna me fishnet stocking, me every man flocking. Dance all passy this a traffic blocking. Whole place me locking, open up and put the cock in. Whole time style to how we a do the broken. The man love when me legs apart. This a the key to the man heart. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen of heart. Me a the key to the man heart.
That was Spice, Queen of the Dancehall at number 7.
Moving right into the number 6 spot. Still Spice holding strong. This one a totally different vibe. This is Spice Marley coming at you.
The great Polofin, Angela. Yeah, man. Well, I give thanks to the Most High God. I declare only good things in my life and I denounce anything that's bad. Yeah, man. Sila. Our Father who art in heaven, thank you for everything I was given. Pray that my sins will be forgiven. Multiply my blessings 10 times 11. I bind up every tongue that speak against me. I beg you wash me from my head to feet, you cleanse me. Every day I tell them that the Lord defends me. Fight against all those who fight against me. Because here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain. Cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried. And that the shadow of the Almighty God I hide. You are gotta lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me. Father God, I lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me. Gotta cover me like every time. Who no like me, go join the back of the line. Cause Father God, I lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me. God the Father, God the Spirit, the Son. You say the battle for me already won. Chapter 1:4 Ephesians. You say you choose us all before creation. God that cover me, him done plan me destiny. Make them stay depending me, coming up any enemy. All of them full of jealousy, burn up all iniquity. Bind up negativity, just give me love and unity. Full of positivity. Here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain. Cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried. And that the shadow of the Almighty God I hide. You are God, I lead me, I keep me. My God, I lead me, I keep me.
Him a lead we and him a keep we.
Spice Marley.
At number 6.
Talk about my God, a leader. See, she's trying to cross into the gospel.
I see it.
Lady Sasha tried to jump in.
Oh my goodness. Maybe she didn't want to be double booked, right? We can't have two God bless one on the same show. Well, this next track is Kipridge laying down the law. in his track Nah Nah. If you don't know, now you know.
Anytime a boy broke and bone come out, my love coach me. But just transform my face on him dirt and say remove yourself.
My G, stepping out of place, gotta follow my lead. Whip them a drip to a road high speed. Standing on your zone, you're in my league. Man clean to the bone, spin tone, white pre. With that at, so go and chat, we not stop. I'm bop, I'm ask it, I clap that. We don't reach, I found this, wop. So don't itch, give Gyal money, not chat. You can't say you chop and have a Gyal a bus stop. Bus back, don't fit, Gyal with that at. From me up, she have to up like that. In cash, me have full up the cash up. Anana. And now give him money for a year, buy back. Tell him me not give him full stop. Anana. And if him want you for deep throat, tell him me want lana, cement and black. Anana. You know I done tweet. Can I'ma tell that cheap? You have a good mouth tight up underneath. Money you have to spend your nails and feet. Dr. Miami put your body pan fleek. For you just up in a shot clean. So you now waste time on the man by mean. Tell him you want siren. But you a keep it standard up high beam. Anana. And now give him money for a year, buy back. Tell him me not give him full stop. Anana. And if him want you for deep throat, tell him you want lana, cement and black. Anana. With that at. So
Yeah, Nana. Kippridge staying strong on the chart, y'all. That one's been on the countdown for a few weeks now.
Oh, yes. And this next entry has also been a few weeks as well. And we love to see it. Jada Kingdom, number 4, the East Side Queen, making her name known.
East Side Queen, watch how you speak my word, yo. Chat all you want on the media. Do the same when you see me in person. My cash are the only thing certain. Man, I like people, the whole of them are. Anything I want right now, I try my word. Run up on me, I'ma let you in a dance. No phone, no chat, will leave your seat. Got me in the mix. Want turn me enemy, come join the league. No give up who you say you be. You will get clear, cause it's like someone owning no easy for them. Them tough and the two for drape me and disgrace me. That still can't approach me. Walk that down barefoot anytime of the day, cause me nah no say, link up so me can tap in your name. Me name Eastside Queen till. Oh, you tough boy, you want come me and disgrace me. But you over there, so I say, you rather look you like and make some money. Use a big crop, real crash dummy. Just supply the punk them and move dirty. Tell your idiot man twinkle, say him is a stamp and seal. Say me a the OG round here. Me no respect nobody, a zero, my kill. Last boy, touch the road. So ramp with me, become a don't play. Hold them tough and who for drape me and disgrace me. That still can't approach me. Walk that down barefoot anytime of the day, cause me nah no say, link up so me can tap in your name. Me name Eastside Queen till. Oh, you tough boy, you want come drape me and disgrace me. But you over there, so I send straight. That no make sense, you a clown, I'm a seed. Me a one girl, I can't they always outside, cause I mean got the street outside, so I better you go straight. No map, Eastside. Hold them tough and the who for drape me and disgrace me. That still can't approach me yet. Walk that down barefoot anytime of the day, cause me now no sense. Think up so me can tap in.
Yeah,
Twinkle upon them.
Tinkle and go always. Chat about.
And this next song, I mean, it's just a perfect, song to just talk about all of the blessings that are coming in for this particular artist and, how she's raining it down on all of us. Number 3 is Spice with God a Bless.
See, I told you, she messing with ladies.
No, wait. We got a pulse.
Yes, I was afraid, I was terrified. No one knows what I really been through, but God stayed by my side. Been through the darkest road every day. I mean, if you thank God, say me still alive. Haters feel again because me overcome every obstacle we're coming on me life.
Well, enough of them, I look for see me flop and mash up. If me drop down in a this, me get back up and stand up. God, they on my side in a times when it rough. Come me stand up in a this, up in a this, up in a this. Them call up me name and mix up me name and tell I what a thing. Them never know if me dead or alive, but yes, the news I bring. Never scaring on me chest, we prove I got me worshipping. No me dash me whole life, bringing a new beginning. Me see the enemy a pray when them see the new me. My new life a this them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life, me no see nobody. Oh, no matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me true, them see God a bless me. All of them a talk, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. No matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me true, them see God a bless me. All of them a talk, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. Them no run to give me water fi carry in a basket. Me a the target, the dancehall target. October, but yet in a it to fi market. The amount of evil spirit after me just not talk it. So when you see me shake and I say congratulations, Heavenly Father want me to trial and tribulation. Rejuvenation, rehabilitation, I'm like new creation. Them not like me, but them have me for notification. If we tell them say yeah this, me know them still a say yeah that. I don't pay people no mind, so me just make them go and chat. I don't need to do a BBL, me body don't need fat. So call your mother, father, granny and tell them the queen is back. Me see the enemy a pray when them see the new me. My new life at this them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life, me no see nobody. Oh, no matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me true, them see God a bless me. All of them a talk, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. No matter what them can't depress me.
Yeah, God bless me.
Spice coming in at number 3. Number 2, Jada Kingdom is back, this time with the 9 for the track Turn Me On.
Gotta get the right one up, Hank. Gotta get the right one up, Hank. Gotta get the right one up. Number 9, this is Jada Kingdom alongside the 9.
See that?
Turn Me On.
Me know you just want my good. To them other girl give you when you want it. You have a vibe and me can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're working for it.
Anytime you ready, girl, just say the word. Top 3 and a second life.
Never. No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me I gonna need a breaking if you want to show me out. You gonna need a break, come a goodly break out.
We can stop each chatting cause that turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on.
Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I'm a number 1 girl, me a trophy.
Me know yeah, me know say this how you want. Me know yeah, me know say me alone alone.
Me go pick it up and drop it like enough is not enough. If me make it get more, then you know you have to go.
Me and grab your body, slap it up and make a little snap. Cock it up and set it good and then you throw it back.
No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a breaking if you want to show me out. You gon' need a break, it come a goodly break out.
We can stop each chatting cause that turn me on.
What you mean?
Turn me on. You know you love it every time. Cause to me it's just a dirty on my mind. Cause you know me love it when you let the vibe. Full time now me get the proper wine.
Oh you feel too busy, you're too like come see me. Cause you know me no wanna watch no TV. Come rub up on my body like a genie. We don't make up for no.
Yes, indeed.
That's a bop. That's a bop.
Yeah, hey, I'm feeling it. Big up to 9 new artists on the scene. Getting a lot of rave reviews right now.
Yeah, sound good, sound good. And of course, this next artist might be the reason why. Jada Kingdom will hold it down at number 1 with this a very particular track, The Good PP.
That's right. That's right. Let's run down the full countdown for them real quick.
All right, let's do it. So number 10, DeMarco, John Crow.
Yes, indeed.
Number 9, Jada Kingdom, One Life.
Yes, indeed.
Number 8, DeMarco, Life.
Life indeed.
7, Spice, Queen of the Dancehall.
And number 6,
Spice Marley.
Entering the top 5,
Kiprich, Nah Nah.
Number 4,
Jada Kingdom, Eastside Queen.
And in the number 3 position,
Spice, Gotta Bless.
top 2.
Turn Me On, Jada Kingdom and the 9 with number 1, Jada Kingdom, GPP.
We didn't give away. We didn't give it away. We didn't give it away.
No, no
didn't
way.
get it.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy, no madman. Now I got good problems with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you go and regret it in the morning. Yeah, me know. And no stop text me, and no stop call me. Man, I roll me down and I stop me too regularly. Tell you don't text it for me. Man, I'm so sorry, cause me never want nobody, just some temporary. No, me never plan for this. God know me, I always just mind my business. Hey, but I'm my fault and I fame one. Usually me not give up, but my game one and I me that. Now I'm look like that, oh God. I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy, I'm on man. Now I got good problem with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you go and regret it in the morning. But I feel too special. You was just another plaything. See you excited, but fit tell it. Truth I was faking, whip drive you crazy. But I'm not your lady. Intoxicated, out of rum that don't blame me. No, me never plan for this. God know me, I always just mind my business. And when I feel bad when I respond, usually when I give up, but my game one, and I made that. Now I look like that, oh God. I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy, I'm on man. Now I got good problem with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you go and regret it in the morning.
From yard to the streets.
There you have it. That's the top 10 songs in the ATL right now. Chat about, hey, blazing hot.
Blazing hot. And of course, the show wouldn't be complete without us talking about, Halfway Tree, Wagwan, and how we feel about these past events that happened in this midway through the year.
That's right. We're the final week of the first half of the year. It's kind of, the dancehall and soca State of the Union.
It has been amazing to see the collaborations, great collaborative projects.
Yes, there's a lot of collabs between genres, artists from different islands too, connecting even on the same genre, but seems to be a lot of unity in the business. You just had 3 of the hottest acts right now on the dancehall scene, young fellas getting together, Kraft and Skilly and Valiant on that real estate song. So, it's a good look.
Not to mention Bounty Killer, Dexter Daps, and Sham.
Bounty has been featured with everybody this year. Bounty's having a big year as well. There's about 7 songs right now for Bounty that I could drop in the rotation at any time. So it's a big year for Killer. Definitely. Of course, which I think we just can't wait to see what is going to happen with TJ now signing that publishing deal and having the banger for the summer. That might really catapult that song to a whole different level.
Big up to Sharon Burke, who's also been making a lot of moves in the industry behind the scenes and who was very instrumental in that deal, making it possible.
Byron Messiah.
Byron Messiah and car crash even. I mean, right there in the pinnacle of his career, he still has, his life and he's very grateful for it. But it just seems uncanny that say you come from Jamaica, but Jamaica not really agreeing with you like it should. How you go down there and get in a car crash, my youth? What you do?
He's having fun. He's having a good time. I saw a picture with he and Dexter Daps and Prince Wani recently.
Nice.
And also, who was it? It was Governor also linking up with the two of them. So there's going to be a whole lot of new music coming from Byron, and we can't wait to see what the potential is for him. Definitely St. Kitts and Nevis is having the biggest year ever.
Woohoo, I agree.
Their soccer team just qualified for the Gold Cup for the first time ever. And Byron Messiah has put them on the map in a different kind of way right now.
Yes. Oh, and big up Red Carpet Shelley in the same respect. She always represented for her island.
Yeah. And Rico Vibes. Big up yourselves as well. I think one might be a Kittian and one might be a Nevisian. So, there might be separate islands.
I see.
But yeah, they still represent for the whole family.
For the Caribbean.
Big them up every
and
time.
bringing it back to Jamaica, we have to mention the Bob Marley biopic being recorded and all of the greatness that have been happening, for the Marleys, even after having to put to rest the young John Wissa.
Yeah, the big Grammy win for them once again with
Kabaka Pyramid.
Kabaka Pyramid's Grammy album. So Kabaka's been has he been quiet after the Grammy win?
He's been on tour. The last place I saw him was in Morocco.
Oh,
so the man busy.
So he's pushing that album and really getting the work done again.
Right.
All right.
So he's like, put the press on pause so that he can actually go out there and spread the mission.
Got you. Good stuff. Good
and we're
luck.
looking forward to the biopic for the Marleys. We really want to see what some Jamaican faces in there, some authentic, things.
It just better be good. That's all I can say.
We want the soundtrack to be on point.
If they mess up the Bob Marley movie, boy, I tell you.
They've done documentaries in the past, but this is really pivotal.
And I hope it's somebody who kind of really looks like Bob. So they have the show Mandela, a movie, right? That Idris Elba's playing Mandela, right?
Okay.
And I'm like, dude, dude. Who's brighter? Who's the cast? Who did he pay? He must have produced the movie. I gotta check that out. He might have produced that version of the Mandela story. No, Idris was Oscar Hunt on that one.
Yeah, he's ready. He's ripe and ready. I'm not getting a younger, so I'm gonna look for any little thing where he can score. And he's a great actor.
Big up 100%. Listen, all right.
Give him his credits.
Denzel Washington doesn't look like Malcolm X, right? But when he played Malcolm, he halfway through the movie, I don't know, that was Malcolm X.
That was Malcolm. Right.
Okay?
True.
All right. Even Will Smith as Muhammad Ali.
True. But that was a good depiction, if you ask me.
Yeah, right. But Idris as Nelson Mandela. I'm sorry, the point is they better have the right Bob Marley playing Bob Marley, all right? I don't want to hear no crazy. If Idris is playing Bob Marley, all right, we got problems, okay? All right. And Leon, Leon, big up yourself. But Leon, no Bob Marley. All right, Leon, you can play Peter. They might have him as Peter.
I'm looking forward to seeing the cast, on screenplay. But talking about movies, I think that we would be forlorn if we did not talk about Avatar 2 and talk about Black Panther 2.
The water movies.
Yes, the water. And also mentioning the way of the water, how, some crazy stuff has been happening out at sea, from the Ocean Gate submersible to the Uber Soca cruise. Remember the guy getting sucked into the engine? Then, if you haven't seen it already, check it out. The Independence of the Seas cruise that was docked in Miami that had a hurricane before even leaving. the port.
Well,
what is going on?
I don't know. They didn't have any reggae music in those movies, so.
part reality, part movie.
All right. That's all I know. They in the water. They're on islands, right? Right. No reggae. Really? That's a little calypso even on the islands.
I can't.
Water movie and no. Come on.
And
listen.
Tears over here. Tears.
Hawaii got a big reggae scene.
They do.
All right.
Big up Jabuks.
All right. Mm-hmm. Japan got reggae.
Mm-hmm. Mighty
They
Crown.
understand. They're an island. You do so.
Yes.
So Hollywood, y'all got to fix that. Y'all got to get that right. I don't know. So, but yeah. For the rest of the year, I'm really looking out for Massacre.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little brewing war between he and Alkaline,
or even
right
Popcorn
now,
too.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Popcorn at any time. His singles are doing different things right now. He drops like an international artist. His songs are caliber. I Maru, who is Queen Ifrica's son, has a couple of really good songs out there.
Yes.
Chronic Law releases a song every Friday.
He's so good at it. And let me tell you, he's a poet. If you really listen to the way he, his lyrical selection is quite crazy.
Yeah. Who do you think is hot now that won't be hot at the end of the year?
Shensia.
Really?
Yeah.
That's surprising.
Yeah, and I say that because, I think every female artist reaches a pinnacle that if you're not willing to really engage and keep up with what's going on, it can pass you by.
So what's she missing out on? Does she need to be doing trapper songs and scamming songs? Is that what you
just think she just needs to be more authentically Caribbean. I think that she really is going hard on her crossover and not giving enough light to her roots.
So she's looking for the Rihanna. She's looking for the Rihanna.
She's looking for the buzz, she's looking for the limelight, a little bit of everything. I think she has good placements, but it's kind of like, she reaches and then it doesn't really get the appeal that she wants. And that's not to say that she's not working hard. I just think the fan base is a little bit lukewarm.
Okay. All right. That was an interesting call. All right.
Because Marianne Hall nah miss, Spice nah miss, Jada nah miss.
Out of everybody, I think, who has the current buzz, the younger artists, we've kind of been rolling through really quickly on the wave, Valiant, I do think has the staying power, though. I do. He and Skeng has probably diminished a little bit in terms of the buzz and the songs that are moving the dance just like that right now. I've heard a couple different slower songs from Skeng recently too, so I think maybe he's trying to show some little more range.
What about Skilly Bang? What do you think about Skilly Bang?
Skilly is a hip hop artist, Skilly Bang. Big up Skilly for what you're doing. He's doing his lane. He's also looking for the buzz. Skilly's a hip hop artist. I don't know that Skilly is a dancehall artist anymore. Or if he was accepted by the dancehall, but I think his style and his music and where he's going is going to take him, as a Jamaican hip hop artist. That's what I'm thinking with Skilly, and that could happen. That can mean anything because he may not be as relevant in Jamaica anymore, but maybe doing some major things internationally with other artists.
Yeah, that's some good points. Absolutely. I agree with you on that front. What do you think about the conscious reggae scene and the direction that it's going in? Is there still hope for, certain Rasta artists? I think that they took a blow this year. I think that
why?
They've been under some heavy scrutiny. Under some heavy scrutiny, all eyes on them. And I think that certain laws that were upheld in the past have now been bent for, certain artists. And there's question as to whether or not people are, jeopardizing their morals for a musical career.
A whole lot of them are. All right. People have been selling out their souls for a long time to try and bust in the music business.
But the Rasta,
know.
the conscious reggae music.
Well,
I mean, if them, then who next?
Well, when you say Rasta, there's a lot of people wearing locks.
Ooh, that's
you understand?
true.
That may be confused.
Rasta imposter.
As
I've
Rasta,
heard of them.
you know?
I've heard of them.
So, you know what I mean? Watch out for the glamour dread them and thing, you know? So those who are real, and they maintain and they keep that order, you know? And that's just what it is. So when you see somebody doing something that is not pertaining to that lifestyle, you know, they're not really of that lifestyle, you know? They're just pretending, you know? Maybe they feel it's easier with the look, you know, to get into the music business and, you know, be accepted that way. So, you know, these artists nowadays is everything from an artist to an act.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes. I mean, and that's why I have to say big up to the Capletons and the Sizzlers and the Iwins and the Lucianos and, you know, the groundwork, the groundation of, you know, the Liberty music, as I call it. Because if you're not aware of the seed, you could easily stray away and get lost in this world. So big up to them for upholding the musical morals and being consistent.
In terms of the conscious artists, definitely look out for Ras Frazier Jr., right? 2 singles have been released off of his new album. And watch out for, I got an exclusive little listen.
All right.
Right?
Who that?
All right. Off of Ras Frazier's album, another cut.
I like the Perfect Get Amati song, the Soul Confusion.
Perfect is that's a big song. Soul Confusion is the name of the album. All I can say, listen.
Stay tuned.
Listen, yeah. I can't leak it. I can't leak it. Right?
You got me holding on to my seat now.
We have to do it the right way, right? The proper release, the proper thing, and get the right push.
And we got to get him on the show too. We got, hey,
yo,
if you're listening, Ross Frazier.
Yeah. That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen real soon. Also, as soon as I gotta say it, more on the conscious side of things.
Good mention.
He's a very, very
righteous youth. Righteous.
Yeah, you know, very soft delivery, very different kind of energy. You know, but. Great songs. I like his vibe.
Dare I say reggae soul, reggae R&B?
Yeah.
Like I feel like he's branching out there. Like he's stretching. Like he's like, I'm not just reggae. I'm not just roots. I am this too.
That's everybody's saying they're not just reggae anymore. Boy, I tell you, if Bob Marley didn't say I'm not a reggae artist, suppose he can say, yeah, I'm a Jamaican rock artist.
Those were different times. Everything is being, you know, it's a melting pot. Everything is being infused nowadays.
Bob's music was infused as well, right? True. But the backbone was the backbone, right?
You're making some points there. You're making some points.
They added the rock electric guitar riff sounds and things. But the backbone was always the backbone, right? The drum and the bass, and it was the drum and the bass. Right? Yeah,
yes,
right?
True.
And when the man sing about the things.
True. But you know, I'm up the eye trees. Them not up the band them like them used to like one time.
Yeah. That's it. Do we have any other major drop-offs, fall-offs? Who do we think? Kamar Haikon says he's going to be very busy for the rest of, you know, releasing some stuff. You know, Shaggy and Sean Paul are always dropping songs.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes. What happened to the one named Joshie? Joshie had gone with something?
Well, you know, I saw this post on social media that said, ever since Joshie met up with Muta Baruka and Muta hug him, Joshie can't find a song again.
Boy, Muta.
Yo, social media, see that place there? Boy, I tell you, they're roughy.
They're not easy.
They said Muta hug up the man and that was it. Can't find a hit again.
Gone from war tunes to love. One love. Chaman.
You're listening to Island Heat here on APAP Radio. I'm Superback alongside
Lady Lala Bella. It's always a pleasure to be here on APAP Radio.
Let's get into some music. He was our guest last week on the program.
Who this?
This is Sir Alexander off of his brand new EP entitled
Who This? See that?
This one is my joint. This one's my joint.
Stay?
This is Stay. Come on now. This one's for all my ladies. Check it out. Sir Alexander.
Let me touch your body. I wanna take you through different phases, different stages. That's what I'll do. Just let me explore your body. I adore. You keep asking for more. Are you ready? Make sure you're prepared. If I pull your hair, feel free to scream, oh baby. And you know, you know.
From yard to the streets.
With confidence, you have won before you even started. Without confidence, you're twice defeated in the race of life. I am conscious of the truth. I am conscious. Mr. Chigapi can't kill no more innocent youth. I am conscious. Conscious of the truth. Corruption race them a run and swear that them win till the devil same lose. Conscious in my thoughts and my meditation. Conscious in my steps, no hesitation. Conscious amongst the people, them no segregation. Give us the teachings of His Majesty, Him never lead us wrong. Black am I, that am I, proud of your complexion. No sweet talk for no weak heart, still a born Babylon. Educate yourself and free yourself from mental slavery. We them can't brainwash in our program. I am conscious. Conscious of the truth, I am conscious. Mr. Chigapi can't kill no more innocent youth. I am conscious. Conscious of the truth. Corruption race them a run and swear that them win till the devil same lose. Eyes wide open them not drop asleep. Under them Regina give in to them Tina corrupted scheme. I have a vision, why love for them a dream. Get caught up in the world and lose them self-esteem. I'm like Joe McKenyatta, Nelson Mandela. Can't dilute the truth, so me nah keep quiet. Don't get it twisted, David still a slew Goliath. Freedom fighter, me nah cast no riot. I am conscious, let them know. Conscious of the truth, I am conscious. Me such a garbage can't kill a more innocent youth. I am conscious, conscious of the truth. Corruption raise them all.
From yard to the streets.
See them a go on like say they no want give thanks to the most high Jah. Go on them, Eden, them nah no beauty, nah no love neither. Sweet them cute, children dress up in a pretty suit. Let me tell you something like a youth. Babylon tree never bear fruit, no.
Represent where you from, China then, give thanks. Pan your river, big bank, so leave Babylon tree, beg you switch branch. White chop, white pre, live long, seat sight in them jeans, so them carry 6 pants. When you pop, on a big song, swear them woulda baptize all Christian to cross. Pull the covenant, higher governance, while them could the governance. Dog eat dog, but them barking up the wrong. Tree but no flea, cause Jaja love no done, no, Jaja love no.
See them a go on like say they no want give thanks to the most high Jah. Go on them, Eden, them nah no beauty, nah no love neither. Sweet them cute, children dress up in a pretty suit. Let me tell you something like a youth. Babylon tree never bear fruit, no.
Represent where you from, China then, give thanks. Can't bring your Benz with you when you're in the ground, so don't chase no bag and end up in a body bag. Port Morris being torn out the chop. Small locks, 5 big trees, and I watch the size of my city when I put it on the map. Jaja city, Jaja town, should I listen to the top?
Yo, country, oh yeah, hype, so I've 2 things afoot when I like, so I'm a day in my vibes now. Give me beer, my sure. We a drink rum, big, and a beer, in a this. We a chick, we empty. No violence, man, everything, cause I just sit dance, and chief. Them a kick, be my tire, them a skid. We a chief. Gear down, stick shift. She say it a move swift. Oh, you think we reach as a quickie night, dirty V6 and it turbo a twin. Sicky, you will get a box by your chin, bad man a come through and it's a army. A we what a girl full of party. I mean, what a party full of Barbie. My God, put the table, you're so chargy and tell it back a girl. Them say we a drink rum, bigs, and a beer. We not this, we a cheap, we empty. No violence, man, everything, cause I just sit dancing and chief. I'ma fuck them a kick it, be my tire, them a skid. We a chief.
Island Heat. From yard to the streets.
Drip. No more. Keep up. Can't stop. Ooh, singer. Bear. Bad man. Some move, some rock, some sip liquor. Move. You quick. Keep up. Girl. Drop. Quicker. Make a dance couple times. Girl, I take my picture. I bit my opinion. Drip.
We drifted, y'all. We drifting. It's all about the island heat, y'all, from the eastern streets. Yo, TJ, take it to them. Take it to them.
Stop. Singer, bear, bad man. Some move, some rock, some sip liquor. Move, you quick, keep up, girl. Drop, quicker, make a dance couple times, girl. I take my picture. Bit my opinion. Jif. Open up, move, Jif. A bit opinion, girl. Jif. Up over this, one over this, them turn up over this. See a hot girl, me a call her hello. If you see the guy that dance and the place get mellow, hear me a tell you. Something do me think, change do me bling, skip me. The merely super thing. Camera, action, flame. When we outside, lock down your building. Opinion. Drift.
Alright then, CK, make it in the me play. Baby, come on the Sunday. We up day you full up. Some style it the way you move it fast. What you go to my work? Put up it, put a curse amaze me, they say me. For those try yo, make it sure them smooth on it. Them smooth with it. High flames you, them a move with it. Them a move in the slippers and shoes with it. On the flip flop, mother don't fall with it. Look how me cool with it, tell I go to this.
Move with it, move with it. Move your hand, move your foot, move your ear. Never hear. You got the mingle and the shoes are slip. From the kitchen pan, tick tack up, move with it.
The school mat said, hear me now, make you one start silhouette. The KC, skunk it. When my car down a can clot it. Tell about them I hit, so charges of it. My boss leave me, crew of them of it. Listen, I'm tell queen to not activate it. Every school you there, them a mash up in a this. Them pull out the use, them smooth with it. High flames you, them a move with it. Them a move in the slippers and shoes with it. On the flip flop, marathon flow with it. Look how me cool with it, tell I go to this.
Move with it, move with it. Move your hand, move your foot, move your ear. Never hear. You got the mingle and the shoes are slip. From the kitchen pan, tick tack up, move with it.
Bill, sip, Remy, made steady one jelly. Like all it's in the sweet, like
Island heat. From yard to the streets.
Bill, sip, Remy, made steady one jelly. Go like all it's in the sweet, like two. If you have a recipe and belly, send Jerry feed it. Brand new, in your face, my tasty gas 2020 Chevy pan it told me I said make sure the chef cooking with the pack if a boy and jelly. People like people from me athlete start out the one in a belly not a great grass. I hate the panic, make it hard, got a switch panic. Now me darling, boy I got from me darkness start could have fly gas. PS me no care which pass. Don't die, me a walk bitch star. People like people from me athlete start. Bust like coat like rinse it, make soap locks. Me no gimmicks, me no smile like Joker.
Yo man the best. 100 million or nothing for draw down. From you looking at me, I know I'm a charge up. Me and them girl in me house, I drink any Sierra rum. There on. And my jeans and my shoes are Gucci, have the shirt for prove it. Them body and you be and bougie and my lifestyle a movie. GLE double pop. Exhaust on the muffler. Oh, you feel champion and a duffel bag. And I'm inside, I'm a go so strong. But I just sentence for bleed. I'm a buy a athlete and I never chat meat. Y'all when the girl got up, can't you see the top me? So you know what that mean. Incense light up, I'm a high up, no afraid of high looks. Money they are piled up, don't size up, yo can't broke. 100 million and nothing for draw down. From you looking at me, I know some charge up. Me and them girl in me house, I drink any Sierra rum. There on. This color call me early morning. So me just reverse
Yo, Kelch. Say you're bad from which part? Tell up, we no one dip dog. Like Chinese war, so the tall. Show it up and make you fall from your disc dog. You know one on a discharge, man a big dog. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep farm. Z-Tech full of like Islam. And if you with me kike, me know the enemy. Them a pray, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Calamity, I saw we talk we and figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity. And tell up, we no laugh, we no take talk. Violate people like that. So should I keep in your bed cast? The Taliban's them a make walk. We no laugh, we no take talk. But that's how we end us. We no people feeling up in a red grass. No Taliban's like them.
Lady Lalabella.
Talk to me.
We gotta get out of here. The time is close. The time is close.
Ooh, it's been hot.
Who's cooking tomorrow? Who's cooking? Who's cooking for the 4th?
I need some jerk chicken. I need some, Franks.
Franks.
Yeah, beef and Franks specifically. You know what I mean?
I don't need any Franks.
I can't even eat in peace on 4th of July.
Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Yeah, y'all, be careful. Be careful. Whoever is grilling, y'all be careful. Hope you know what you're doing. The fireworks things and the clappers.
And be careful on the road.
Yeah.
Which is most important.
All of these things.
Because somehow people find a way to always jump into their cars after having a good time.
I'm saying, real quick, let's do the birthdays real quick. We gotta go.
All right, July 1st. Happy Earth Strong to Papa San.
Papa San, big up yourself every time.
Merciless as well, and Ranking Joe.
Rest in peace, Merciless. Tanya Stevens is on the 2nd, and Tapazuki is also on the 2nd of July.
The Italian singer, rapper, reggae extraordinaire Albarosi on the 4th.
Also, Rupi Edwards, big up yourself. You got American birthdays.
July 5th, Owen Gray.
And on the 6th, it's all about Roy Gramps Morgan.
We played a song from him earlier.
We did play a song by Gramps.
All right. Well, lovely. Thank you so much for tuning in to Island Heat. From Y'all to the Streets, we feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics. If you want your ad played, hit us up on islandheatshow@gmail.com.
We got to play this one before we get out of here. He was on the show a couple weeks ago, Vibrant. We have to make sure he's in here, all right? You know why? It's all about the holiday vibes.
Oh, yes.
So we got to feel good, right? It's all about the good feeling.
Feel like a one mission holiday.
Been a minute since we link up with my friends. Them pull up my phone, link up Karen. Pick her up in at the brand new BMI. Just wanna have fun, party and chill. Me no want no stress on me and I'm vibes now. I just wanna have fun, party and chill. I just vibes when you see me and my friend them a chill. Because I'm in a feel good mood. Sun is shining, we're feeling good. Feel good mood. You know we feel good, yeah. Feel good mood, yeah. Feel good mood, yeah. Feel good mood, yeah. Feel good mood, yeah. I've been like picnic on holiday, nobody know it, so we okay. Feel good on the inside and outside, that's why we outside. All in a night vibe. I could have winter time, springtime, summertime, every day we feel fine. That's how we live life. No vibes, no day inside. One team out now, stepping out the street well loud. Anywhere we go, we have to clean up, yo. Where the party day, we have to reach that, yo. So we live life,
Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAP Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAP Radio. Keep it locked.